Welcome to Nature's Nectar. Our mission is to keep the tradition of beekeeping alive and support the honeybee population. Bees are crucial to the health and well-being of the planet, so by starting your own colony, you help maintain healthy bee populations. Whether you're just getting started or have been doing it for years, Nature's Nectar is here to help you succeed.
I love being outside. I love going out to the hives on a summer day and seeing them flying around and pollinating my flowers. It's just a marvelous activity to be involved in.
My wife and I were getting interested in the idea, and we went to the Minnesota State Fair, and there's a great beekeeping exhibition there. We were asking around about where we can get supplies and bees and everything like that, and over people kept talking about Nature's Nectar.
Nature's Nectar provides 3 types of passive bees: Italian, Carniolan, and we are Minnesota's exclusive retailer for Saskatraz, which are popular for their resilience, brood population, and hygienics. And because our bees come in 3-pound packages rather than a nuke, we'll get you started sooner, which will improve your overall colony well-being and increase the odds of surviving winter. Plus, you'll receive a certificate from Olivera's honeybees, so you know you're receiving authentic bees from one of the top queen breeders in the country.
What made me choose Nature's Nectar to buy my bees and supplies was, as a rookie, it really made me comfortable to get started because it made me easy to just drive up, grab my hive, and be ready.
As an experienced beekeeper, I do come across different situations that I am unsure about, and I can go to Nature's Nectar and they can help me straighten out the problem and have an answer.
Nature's Nectar has everything that I need for all 6 seasons that I've been beekeeping. Nature's Nectar has been where I've gone for my supplies, whether it be bees or a new hive box or a hive tool, anything. They've got everything, they're friendly. I go in there, I sit down, I ask questions. It's a community, and it's really a marvelous place to be able to go for everything.
You know, what's most rewarding for my wife and I is beekeeping is something we do together. It's not only a learning venture for us, it's fun, it's interesting. We get a lot of honey out of it, but we meet a lot of friends. So it's more than just a, I guess, agricultural experience, it's a social experience for us as well.
Start your colony today by visiting our Oakdale store or by ordering online. Nature's Nectar, Minnesota's beekeeping experts.